Webpack 2 is in beta. Yes, it's still beta. It will be released later, I hope. Hi, let's talk today about Yarn, a lack of understanding of Node.js and Webpack version 2. I'm Anatol and you're watching the good parts of the frontend development. I suppose you have already read Jose Aguinaga's post How it feels to learn JavaScript in 2016. Everybody pretends to have read it. There are so many libraries, frameworks you need to learn. Yuck! That sounds terrible.
Therefore, Sacha Grief've have posted a study plan to cure JavaScript fatigue with clear steps. In 5 weeks' time, you eventually start using a modern JavaScript stack.
Last time I mentioned Yarn, a US package manager and NPM killer.
But how JavaScript package managers work? Subkheksha wrote a simple introduction to NPM and Yarn to share what she have learned. You can find this post on Medium and dig in deeper. Elliott also interested in Yarn. Perhaps you've used it on your personal projects. Author mentioned that to really get the most from Yarn, you should also be using it with your continuous integration server. You can reduce the number of random CI failures that result from packages resolving differently for different installs.
Welcome to the history of Node.js.
On a timeline from 2009 until now, George Nemeth posted a great slidecast at Rising Stag blog. It helps to understand the atmosphere and why Node.js was made that way. There is another good article on Rising Stag blog, namely Understanding the Node.js Event Loop. This article helps you to understand how Node.js Event Loop works and how you can leverage it to build fast applications. It consists of several parts with comprehensive and detailed explanations.
I believe you know Brendan Eich, American technologist and creator of JavaScript. Probably you have heard about JavaScript Air podcast.
Take a look at the very last episode, JavaScript and the web platform. It's about the history, current state and the future of JavaScript. Let's get back to the serverless applications. Recently, Ryan Chenke from Auth0 has published an article Easy Angular Authentication with JSON Web Tokens at Angular Blogspot. There, he described the way to do stateless authentication in an Angular 2 applications using web tokens and TypeScript. Of course, you can apply it to Angular 1. Google brings to your attention a backend as a service named Firebase. It comprises the following functionality: the real-time database, authentication, hosting, storage, cloud messaging, and so on. It's compatible with Android, iOS, and web platforms.
Webpack 2 is in beta. This stage is stable enough, so a lot of developers are ready to use it in their projects.
Let me introduce Getting Started with Webpack 2 posted on Medium to you. In this tutorial, Drew Powers described how you can use new features and rethink build process. In other words, you don't write code for Webpack, you write code for your project, and Webpack keeps up. Also, you might be interested in Webpack Bundle Analyzer, a plugin and CLI utility that represents bundle content as convenient, interactive, zoomable tree map. It will help you to realize what's really inside your bundle, model size, and finally optimize your project.
The last point for today.
Build your own Pac-Man game by using JavaScript and Canvas. As Jeffrey Biles mentioned, this tutorial could be useful for people who know JavaScript but are curious about Ember.js and Canvas.
If you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.